The problem we try to solve with Invent is how can we bring AI agent capabilities to more of the domain experts who are not necessarily technical. On the other hand, we saw an opportunity to actually build AI agents almost play as your dedicated senior customer support, where try to understand what your requirements are and also give you support 24/7 along your journey.
So as a user, when you start using Invent, you're able to provide any prompt you want to tell the inventor what you're trying to build, be it the problem you're trying to solve, the thing you're trying to automate, or if you have a firm idea of what your agent should look like, you can tell the inventor. The inventor will ask questions if it needs to ask questions, and then get to work building out the core instructions for your agent. This is like the SOP for your agent. Once it's created those instructions, it will then also start building the tools. It will figure out, okay, it needs probably a tool to go send a Gmail, or it might need a tool to pull something from your Airtable. It places that in the instructions where you need it, and then you can continue the inventing process into the tool inventor, where it actually builds out all the logic for the tool for you. And before you know it, you have an end-to-end working agent.
So one of the key things natural language or chat experience changed how we think and how we design is traditionally the way we design products is we will map out the user journey based on the use case and then turn that user journey into screen-by-screen experience. With chat or natural language experience, it also makes the user journey extremely personalized and dynamic. So instead of designing very step-by-step process, we can actually iterate the product or very fast. So the flow became extremely dynamic and we can cater for so many different long-tail use cases.
A comparison we always make at Relevance when we teach people how they should be thinking about agents is comparing them to how you think about hiring an employee and training an employee. The process between the two is actually really similar because agents aren't software. They don't get onboarded through settings and knobs, but they get onboarded through teaching process, teaching domain expertise. And so Invent is sort of an extension of that. It lets you build your agents through natural language because that's how you build your team. That's how you talk to new employees. The powerful thing about Relevance AI as a platform is that after the inventors built your agent, built your tools, you have full control over customizing every single piece of it. We are first and foremost a platform where you can build every part of a multi-agent system yourself. And so the inventor helps you skip steps 1 to 100, but you can tweak the knobs between 100 and 200. What we have been trying to work on is making it way easier to use. That's because our belief is that these sort of multi-agent systems aren't just going to be built and maintained by technical people, by engineers and AI engineers, but by domain experts, by the people in the company and who know how the company works. And so Invent is how we're making it easier than ever to build agents on Relevance.